Have you ever wondered how to do this? Today I will teach you how to make your VTuber model glow and react to game lightning or just any screen, really. Yay! Let's start. I will split this into two parts. Part 1 will show you how to change the lightning on your model so it reflects and reacts to display lightning. And then I will show you how to enable and actually turn on the function of display lightning. Go in here. Then when you see these options like here, go into customize model. Once you see this menu, go into customize scene lightning for art meshes. Now, you see my little mouse? You see the little red? That's how you select a piece of your hair to make it glow. So let's, for example, try this piece right here. Boom. It should be one of the ones above. Once you click on it, it should be one of the ones above. And because I have my display lightning enabled, I can see, you see the lightning? Now it's off, now it's on. Boom. That's how you do it. The pieces itself is something that you cut before you rig the model. So the better the pieces are cut, the better the lightning is gonna look. And that's how you adjust the art meshes in VTube Studio. Now to part 2. Go in here, then scroll down until you see display lightning. We turn it on. Then we go into this little button over here, YouTube, for me. This button, basically, you can choose what displays on your model and like what lightning is displayed and in a way like reflected, you know. This here, the color configuration, you can basically adjust how much influence it has on your model in a way, you know. You want to make it look like you are at a party like me? Go into YouTube, search up disco lights, bada beam, bada boom, you got it. This also works with any game because it reflects upon your screen and the window that you choose. So hey, enjoy. That's how you do it. Congratulations! Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope that you learned something new. If you have anything else that you've been wondering about, or if you have any questions, you can reach me on Bluesky or join the Discord community, or catch me on Twitch whenever I stream. Yeah, well, see you. Thank you so much. It's very, 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 very kind of you. It's very inspiring whenever someone subscribes and likes and stuff. So yeah, thank you. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Well, yeah, I'm Naysay. I'm out. That was the tutorial. Bye for now.